Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video shows what is corrosion engineering. This slide is taken from Corrosion Engineering, which states that the corrosion engineering is a profession that is dedicated to slow down, reversing, and avoiding the impact of corrosion on materials and structures. It involves the development and selecting the corrosion-resistant materials, application of protective coatings, and involved in recommending corrosion control methods. This information taken from Shreir, which states that the corrosion in the context of corrosion engineering is the reaction of an engineering construction material with its environment with the consequent deterioration in properties of the metal or the materials. This definition comes from the Fontana and Green, states that corrosion engineering is the application of science and art to prevent or control corrosion damage economically and safely. This definition comes from Kenneth Orr, which states that the corrosion engineering is an engineering specialty that applies scientific, technical engineering skills and knowledge of natural laws and physical resources to design and implement materials, structure, devices, systems, and procedure to manage corrosion. This definitely taken from the Corrosion Engineering Science and Technology Stuart Lyon in 2012. It states that corrosion engineering science and technology is the study of interaction of materials with the environment in which they are used. This definitely comes from the Khalid Academy, states that the corrosion engineering is the application of scientific knowledge to control corrosion. This definitely taken from Audiopedia. Corrosion engineering is a special discipline of applying scientific knowledge, natural laws, and physical resources in order to design and implement materials, structure, devices, system, and procedure to manage the natural phenomena known as corrosion. This definition comes from the Wikipedia that states corrosion engineering is the field dedicated to controlling and stopping corrosion, and then it states corrosion engineering is an engineering specialty that applies scientific, technical, engineering skills and knowledge of natural laws and physical resources to design and implement materials, structures, devices, systems, and procedure to manage corrosion. This definition is taken from the Wikipedia that says corrosion engineering is the discipline of applying specialized scientific knowledge and the latest technology within several fields and laws of nature in order to design, develop, and implement solutions involving systems, structures, equipment, and devices, materials, know-how, procedure. This definitely comes from the Corrosionpedia that states that corrosion engineering combines the knowledge of several fields including chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, material science, metallurgy, electronic engineering. It is closely related to material science and metallurgy and deals with the corrosion of engineering materials as well as construction materials, which includes the ceramic, concrete, plastic, and other metals. This definition comes from the European Federation of Corrosion that states corrosion technologists who must collaborate directly with the corrosion scientists and engineers should also have a good understanding of scientific principles and capable of applying these to practical problems.